Welcome to your first bite-sized flute lesson at TopNotes Music School. My name is Juliette and today we will be taking a look at how to set up your flute and how to take care of it properly. Right, let's get into it. So, your flute has three parts: the head, the body and the foot joint. All of these go together. Let's take a look how you should be setting up your flute. Right, take out your head joint. No matter the brand you are using, you will probably see a marking about right there in the middle. Now this marking tells you where your head joint should fit with the body of the flute. Taking out your head joint, you will see another marking on this side, probably just above the brand name. Let's put them together. Right, these markings should line up with one another. As you get to know yourself and your flute, you might want to adjust it a little bit. Personally, I turn mine slightly to the side so that the opening over here lines up with that first key. That's another method to do it. Finally, let's join our foot joint. Fantastic. At the foot joint, this bar over here should line up with the tip of your final key at the body joint. There you go, your flute has been set up. Naturally, we also need to know how to take care of our flutes properly. No matter how long you've played a certain day, you always need to clean your flute. To do that, you're going to take off the head joint and remove the foot from the body. Along with your flute, you will receive one of these cleaning sticks. You're going to want to use a dust cloth or perhaps the cloth that came with your flute. You are welcome to ask for it at the music shop. What you do is you thread the tip through the little slit, draw it through, wrap it over. Make sure the entire stick is covered before putting it into your flute. One by one. Twist it around, get out all the moisture. Be careful never to twist this cap though. There we go. One clean head joint. Do the same with your body on both sides. Place it back carefully in the case, just as it came. Foot joint. Clean it thoroughly. Right. Now, every now and then, your flute might get sticky keys. If you take a careful look underneath your flute, you will see that each key is fitted with soft padding. If we play our flutes for a long time, these paddings could become a little sticky. That's not something you want to hear when you play. To clean these pads, you're going to use cigarette paper. These are really cheap. You find them at any kiosk and you can buy any brand. Just make sure that there's no sticky part at the end of it. You're going to take one of these out, hold it underneath the key you want to clean, press down softly and pull it through. This will soak up any extra moisture that has gathered underneath your flute pads and make sure to get rid of that sticky sound. This we don't have to do every single time, but especially if you're getting ready for a concert or a recital and you start to hear that in your ear, get yourself some of these. And that's it for today's bite-sized flute lesson. Be sure to check back in next week where we will be learning how to properly hold your flute and how to make your first sound.